Hey guys, we're excited to have you with us. We're going to take you along for the entire week this week, and we've got some fun stuff planned that I think you're going to like. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified when future adventures come out. Hey guys, so we're heading into Costco this morning. We try to get here right at open before it gets too crowded. We got some things to pick up. We'll take you along the way with us and show you some of the stuff that we like to get when we go to Costco. We try to go here just once a month. So when we come, we try to pick up everything we need for the month. There's Gia ready to go in and help me out with some shopping. All right, so whenever we do come to Costco, we come right at open before the crowds all hit to get in and out of here as quick as possible. How you doing pushing the cart?
Hard work.
Hard work.
Bigger than me. Well, almost. It's almost bigger than me. They touch my neck.
One of my recent favorites that I've been getting are these steamed pork buns. I always get this pre-made meatloaf with the mashed potatoes. It makes for an easy dinner and it is so good. Anyone who considers themselves a Costco connoisseur knows the best deal in the entire place are these $4.99 rotisserie chickens. They are absolutely delicious. Uh-oh, Gia has spotted something. This is one of the dangers of Costco right here. Once you put it on your Christmas list. There's a few staples that we always get at Costco, like this mozzarella and Mexican cheese and ground beef, which you can keep all of these in the freezer and pull it out over the course of the month as you need it. We also always get these big cases of Kleenex here at Costco. I love bacon, and I'm also extremely lazy, so this fully cooked Costco bacon is just perfect for me.
I really like these new acai bowls that they have.
I think we're gonna get some animal crackers here this time. We never come to Costco without stopping and getting some peanut M&Ms. It's one of the essential food groups. The only thing better than Reese's peanut butter cups is a big box of Reese's peanut butter cups. Go Costco. Hi there, I'm your new daddy, and you're gonna come home with me. All right, so we had a successful shopping trip into Costco, but it ended with kind of a thud. Gia and Lydia love their pizza and their ice cream, so we were gonna get some. And that area is closed for the next month. So that was disappointing, but we did get a lot of good stuff while we were here. What's going on, Gia?
I want ice cream.
How are you feeling about the ice cream place being closed?
Not good. I want ice cream. The only reason I came was for ice cream. Ice cream needs to be there. Be sad. Gia, out.
All right, well, since they didn't have the pizza we were hoping to get at Costco, we decided to get pizza from our absolute favorite place here in Eugene, Oregon, and that's Coburg Pizza Company. It tends to be more expensive than some of the other pizza places here in town, but it is absolutely worth it. It is such delicious pizza. We all love it a lot. And it's interesting, Coburg Pizza is the most expensive probably here in Eugene. And a survey just came out recently that said Oregon is the most expensive pizza out of all the states in the nation. So maybe that means that Coburg Pizza is the most expensive pizza in the United States of America. I don't know, but it sure is good, and we think it's worthwhile. So we'll show you guys what we get. All right, so I'm heading out to Coburg Pizza. It's in the town of Coburg, which is just north of Eugene. So it's just a little bit of a drive to get out there, but once again, it's absolutely worth it once you get the pizza. All right, so this is Coburg Pizza Company right here out in Coburg, Oregon. And it's really a cool place. It's got this nice outdoor seating area for people to sit in. Today's weather isn't real conducive with that. When you walk into Coburg Pizza Company, they do a really good job with the atmosphere in here. It feels really warm and inviting, and it still sticks with the brand that they're going for, while also feeling upscale and classy at the same time. All right, this is Lydia's cheese pizza that she gets with a ranch sauce on it instead of red sauce, and it's got a cheese stuffed crust, which is delicious. This is Angie's Greek vegetarian pizza, and this is the one I get. It's called the Hot Hawaiian, and it's got ham and pineapple and onions, and it's also got barbecue chicken on it, and comes with a side of jalapenos. All right, and then lastly, we got 2 orders of chicken wings. I got the chicken wings with chipotle rub on them, which are delicious, but they're a little bit on the spicy side. Gia got chicken wings with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on it, and I am sure they are delicious as well. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday night, and Gia and I are going down to our local community pool for open swim hours so that we can do some practice swimming together. Are you excited to go down there?
Yeah.
All right, we are heading into the Sheldon Community Pool. It's a little chilly outside, so Gia is running for it. Before the pandemic, this was the only section of the pool that they had available that they used for lessons and classes and things like that. But during the pandemic, they built this additional warm water shallow pool on, which is absolutely perfect for children and families.
Very good. Good job. Ooh, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Good job, sweetheart. That was really good. Good job. So this pool's really nice. It's really, really warm, and it's very shallow. Has a lot of kid-friendly stuff for people to play in. And Gia's having a lot of fun in it. We're both playing with some stuff, and she's practicing on her swimming at the same time. So this thing's pretty cool. I'm definitely coming back.
I really liked how fun it was and how warm the water was, and I jumped off of the edge, fully standing without a hand, and for my first time, that was fun and very, very scary.
All right, so we just got done here at the community pool. I'm just waiting for Gia to come out, and then we're gonna head home. I think the first trip was very successful. Hey guys, so it is Thursday night, and Angie and Gia and I are going out for a little bit. Where are we going?
Ice skating for my first time.
Going ice skating. It'll be Gia's first time ever going ice skating. So we will see how much fun it is. I'm sure it's going to be a blast. Hopefully I don't fall and break something. All right, so we are here at the Eugene Ice Center to do some ice skating. It's our first time here too at this place, so we'll see what it's like. So my initial impression, I thought the ice skating rink seemed like a pretty nice facility. All right, so we're getting our ice skates on, and then we're gonna go out and start skating. Hopefully the next vlog I do is not a hospital vlog. We'll see how this goes. How do you think you're gonna do?
Horrible.
You think you're gonna do horrible? Why?
I think you're gonna do awesome.
Do you think you're gonna fall?
Yes, millions of times. Let's go.
There was definitely a transition period as Gia got used to ice skating versus roller skating. She definitely had some difficulty at first.
She wants adults.
So it's pretty fun here. It took a little getting used to, and the prices are a little higher than I thought they would be. But we're starting to settle into it and have a lot more fun.
The dolphin definitely helps. If you ever come here, get a dolphin.
The dolphin was a lifesaver.
Exactly. Hear it here.
I'm hoping there's not an age limit on the dolphin
Yeah.
or a weight limit.
I enjoyed ice skating. I thought it was pretty fun. The skates really weren't very comfortable as far as that went, but you can't expect much from rental skates.
Hey guys, it's Saturday and I am going to take my DJI Avata down to the school and get some practice flying it through some tight spaces down at the playground. Any drive someplace gets instantly more fun when you put your 360 camera on the hood of your car. All right, let's see what cool obstacles we can find today.
Because it's a nice day out, we are going to go for a bike ride together. Right, Dad?
Yep, sounds like fun. We always have a lot of fun when the weather starts to get nicer, going for bike rides as much as possible. It's nice kind of cruising around the neighborhood with Gia, and sometimes Angie and Lydia go with us too. Do you need me to slow down for you?
Go too fast because I'm regaining my energy so I can go fast.
Uh-oh.
What?
I'm passing you.
Okay.
Left you in the dust. Yeah, it's always fun going for bike rides. We have a good neighborhood for bike rides, and it's nice getting out on nice days like this. Now that the weather's starting to get nicer, it's nice to get out more often. All right, G, let's see who's gonna win. You win. Hi everyone. So we decided to take a few minutes and do a little bit of a planning segment for our Disneyland trip in June that Gia and I are really excited about. It's going to be the first time that just the two of us have ever gone on a trip together, which will be a lot of fun. So we're going to talk about a few of the aspects of the trip that we're putting together right now for June and kind of share with you some of how we get ready for a Disneyland trip. So one of the first parts when we're planning a trip like this is looking at airfare. We always like to fly into Orange County Airport instead of LAX, just because it's smaller, it's more convenient for Disneyland, it's a short drive away from Disneyland. I like to fly first thing in the morning so that we get in early, like before lunchtime, and that first day we can head over to the park and go right in and start doing some fun stuff. Once we get down to Anaheim, we'll be checking into our hotel, And the hotel that we've always stayed at recently is the Grand Legacy at the park, which is on Harbor Boulevard right across the street from Disneyland. To me, it's a really nice hotel. It's got everything you need in a hotel. It's got nice rooms. It's got a nice pool area. And it really is just about as close to the front gate of Disneyland as some of the Disneyland hotels are. One of the things I don't like about the Disneyland hotels is just the price. And Grand Legacy at the park, to me, has everything that we want it to have, and the price is a whole lot better. In terms of rides, which rides are you looking forward to the most being able to go on as soon as we get there?
Probably checking out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad for the first time and going on the Incredicoaster. And Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones is one of my favorites too.
Yep. Yeah, I'm definitely excited as well on checking out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's always cool checking out new stuff that's started at the park since the last time we were there. And then other rides I'm excited to go on. I'm always excited to go on Rise of the Resistance. I still think that's probably the best ride I've ever been on in an amusement park. And then I also like going on some of the roller coasters with, Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, Incredicoaster, and one of my favorites that I know Gia doesn't like a ton is Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. I love those elevator rides. I love the way they drop up and down. I just think that ride is super fun. So Gia's gonna have to toughen up a little bit and be able to go on that ride a couple times with me while we're there. So it'll be a lot of fun going on that.
Mm-hmm.
What places to eat are you excited to check out while we're there?
Oh, I always forget the name. But Wine Country Trattoria, right?
Yep, Wine Country Trattoria.
And they always have great food and great customer service.
They do.
And besides for just restaurants, I'm also very excited to try some other Disney foods that we haven't tried before, and definitely churros. I'm excited for churros. I like churros.
Churros are always good. What about Cheesecake Factory? We always go to Cheesecake Factory. A lot of times, one of the things we'll do is walk over to the Garden Walk for some of our dinners, which is a little bit outside the Disneyland Resort, but you end up having a really nice meal for a lot less of the price. And then other foods I'm excited to try out while we're there. I always love getting Mickey beignets. They're one of my favorite things to get, so I'm excited about that. One of the things that I'm also excited about is the fact that it's going to be the 100th anniversary of the Disney company, and so they're having a bunch of special celebrations down there for the 100th anniversary, which is going to be really exciting. They've got the park all spruced up. They've got a special fireworks show that they're doing right now. They've got some special parades that are playing and a special World of Color show, and the castle's all spruced up nice, and they've got some special foods for the 100th anniversary. In terms of shows, I mentioned the special fireworks show and World of Color and stuff. Also, the last time that I was down there, Fantasmic hadn't reopened yet, and I'm really excited to go check out Fantasmic. It's been a while since I've seen that show. Yeah, so we're really excited about the trip. I think overall it's just going to be a blast, and hopefully you guys enjoyed us sharing some of this aspects with you. When we go down there, we're definitely going to be filming some of the trip, trying to find a balance of filming some of it and having the camera off at times so that Gia and I can just enjoy hanging out together. So overall, I think it's going to be a great time. Thank you so much for spending time with us this week. If you've gone to any of the places that we went to, or have favorite things that you get at Costco, or favorite things that you like to do when you take a trip to Disneyland, please leave your comments below. We would love to hear what some of your thoughts are. You can also follow Bucket Day Adventures on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified when our latest videos come out. Thanks for spending time with us, and we sure hope you're doing something fun today to fill your bucket. Take care.